Hello guys, you were watching CPA Hacks. Before entering into this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video and share this videos who all are interested in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So this video is part 2. Yesterday I have uploaded part 1. Okay, so that video is regarding pay-per-click video. This video also is regarding pay-per-click, but in yesterday's method I have thought how you can work with your own website. Okay, so many people don't have a website, so for them this part 2 video. So if you don't have a website also, no issues, I'll teach you this method. You can work with this free trick. Okay, so don't worry about it. If you have website also, you can work on this method. Okay, you can use the two methods also. You can earn by 2x profit also. Okay, so this is going to be an interesting video. Okay, so in the part video many people have gave many good reviews about the video, so this part 2 also will be a successful video, I hope. Okay, so yes, without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. So, and one more thing, I'll give the link in the description. Yesterday also I have already said many people have came and asked their doubts, and we have made a one-on-one free calls. Okay, many free calls we have done. So today also I'll give the link in the description. First link will be your problem solving things. Okay, you can ask any doubts. I'll teach you one-on-one for free. Okay, I will teach you how to earn a fastest cash. Okay, now itself you can earn a fastest cash. I'm going to teach you in live for absolutely free. Okay, this is not going to be a group call, this is not going to be a like a class. Okay, it's going to be direct or one-on-one video call class. Okay, if you're interested, you can click the link and you can move further. Okay, so yes, without wasting any time, so if you don't have a website, means don't worry, come to the website called as, open your Google and come to the website called as Vocals. Okay, VOCAL, vocal.media. Okay, this website link is vocal.media. This is how the website will looks like. Okay, don't worry, this is a free website. Okay, just click on sign in. Okay, just click on sign in and click on, after you have successfully signed in, click on create story. Okay, if you click on create story, here they will ask for titles, subtitles and contents. Okay, so give a title called as, it's up to you, you can give any content. For an example, I am giving like a free PayPal cash. Okay, free PayPal cash. Okay, free PayPal cash. You can add some images regarding PayPal, regarding gift cards, regarding giveaways. Okay, you can give images regarding your content, and you can start writing the contents. Okay, just write anything about your content. You can use ChatGPT also. Just open ChatGPT and get a free content from there. Okay, and just copy the link. Yesterday we have created a link in Monitag, right? If you want to watch that video again, I'll give the link in the description. Just open it and see it again. Okay, yesterday we have created a link in Monitag, right? Just copy that link and paste it here. Okay, just paste it in your content, in the end or in the beginning also you can add it there. Okay, after you have successfully created a thing, okay, just click on save changes. It has been successfully saved. Okay, just okay, so now you have to just copy your story link. Okay, we have published the story. Okay, okay, just copy the link. Okay, just copy your link and again come to the website called as Email Traffic. Okay, yesterday we have already taught this, what is Email Traffic and how you can use this for free. Okay, just again come to this Email Traffic, click on promotion and click on create new things. Okay, if you want to get the credit, means just click on advertisement. Okay, you can see many advertisements here. Just by clicking one by one advertisement, you will start earning many credits 200, 300, 500,000, like many credits you will start earning. Okay, after you have earned successfully many coins which you have collected here, you can just by clicking this ads you can collect many monies. Click on promotion, click on create ad, and next the same process. Give some title, give the URL. You have copied a URL from here, right? Just paste the URL here, give the expected, just click give as 50, and in minimum request is as per you. Okay, you can give minimum 1 point also to your customers. Okay, and status should be published, and create an image for it, then click on submit. This is the simplest way. That's all. Okay, for the people who don't have a website, don't worry, you can just use the story website. Create a perfect story, copy the link from here and come to email traffic and click on create new ad. Give the title, URL, expected click, paper credit, publication status, everything filled exactly correctly. Okay, then click on submit. That's all, and your work is done, and you will see your earnings as soon as possible. Okay, so out of 1000 clicks, okay, out of 1000 clicks you are getting $0.1. okay, $100 is the simplest thing in this website. Okay, so don't worry, I'm also just working on it. I have won some money. Within 2 or 3 days I'll share my earnings proof in the YouTube community space and Instagram and Telegram. Don't worry, you can follow me in every social medias if you want to follow me. I'll give the link in the description. Please ask me any doubts. If you want our one-on-one call, please ask me anytime. Until then, it's bye from Cpahacks. Let me see you in the another best video. More than this, I will give you a best video. And if you want to join in our private session, don't worry, you can ask me directly in Instagram. I'll tell you the details about it. If you want to join, you can join. Okay, it's not a compulsory thing. Okay, so all the best for your career, and I'll see you in the another video. Tada, bye bye.